In 2021, a coin with a dog's face on it made thousands of ordinary people millionaires in just a few weeks. That same coin then crashed and wiped out billions of dollars in less than 24 hours. People who bought at the top lost everything. People who bought early retired. Same coin. Same moment in history. Two completely different outcomes. And the only difference was knowledge. So today we talk about meme coins. The most exciting and most dangerous thing in all of crypto. Here is what keeps happening. Someone sees a meme coin exploding on Twitter or TikTok. Everyone is posting their profits. The price is going up every hour. The fear of missing out kicks in hard. They put in their savings. Sometimes money they cannot afford to lose. Then just as fast as it went up, it collapses. And they are left holding a coin worth almost nothing. This story repeats itself every single year. And it will keep repeating until people understand what meme coins actually are. A meme coin is a cryptocurrency that was created based on an internet joke, a meme, or a viral trend. Unlike Bitcoin, which was created to replace traditional money, or Ethereum, which was created to power decentralized applications. Meme coins are mostly created for fun, or for community hype. They usually have no serious technology behind them. No real-world problem they are solving. Just a funny name and a passionate community. The very first meme coin was Dogecoin. Created in 2013 as a joke by two software engineers. They literally made it to make fun of the crypto craze at the time. They put a Shiba Inu dog meme on it and launched it. Nobody expected it to become anything serious. But then something unexpected happened. People loved it. Communities formed around it. Celebrities talked about it. And the price exploded. Most meme coins are created very easily. Anyone with basic coding knowledge can create one in minutes. There are websites that let you launch a meme coin with zero coding at all. This is why new ones appear every single day. Thousands of them. When a meme coin launches, the creators usually keep a large portion of the supply for themselves. Then they hype it on social media. Early buyers pile in. The price rises fast. The hype grows bigger. More people buy. Price goes higher. Then at some point the early holders and creators sell everything at once. The price crashes instantly. Late buyers are left with worthless coins. This is called a rug pull. And it happens every single day in the meme coin world. But here is where the story gets interesting. Not every meme coin is a scam. Dogecoin survived for over 10 years. In early 2021, Elon Musk started tweeting about it. Just simple tweets. Sometimes just a meme. Sometimes just the word Doge. Every tweet sent the price flying. At its peak, Dogecoin hit 74 cents. People who bought it for a fraction of a cent in 2019 made life-changing money. Then came Shiba Inu coin. Created in 2020 purely as a Dogecoin competitor. No serious technology. Just a community and a vision. At its peak, a $1,000 investment made in 2020 turned into over $5 million by 2021. $5 million from 1,000. That is the power and the madness of meme coins. Think of meme coins like buying a lottery ticket. The ticket itself has no real value. But if enough people believe in it and buy it, the prize gets bigger. The early people who buy lottery tickets cheap and sell when the prize is high win big. The people who buy when everyone is already talking about how big the prize is usually lose. Meme coins work exactly the same way. Timing and knowledge are everything. So here is what you just learned. Meme coins are cryptocurrencies based on internet jokes and viral trends. They have no serious technology behind them. They are driven purely by community hype and social media attention. Some, like Dogecoin, have survived and created real wealth. Most others crash to zero very quickly. They are high risk, high reward. And they should only ever be money you are completely comfortable losing. Never your savings. Never borrowed money. Never money you need. Now you understand meme coins properly. The excitement, the danger, and the rules you must follow if you ever decide to touch one. In the next video we cover stablecoins, the complete opposite of meme coins. The safest and most misunderstood type of crypto that exists. Subscribe right now so you do not miss it. Drop a comment below. Have you ever bought a meme coin? Tell me which one. See you in the next class.